The best motivator for customers to do business with you is trust, especially with online sales, since they help you establish yourself as a better alternative to competitors. We've added a section to help you collect authentic video reviews from your customers directly inside the CRM. Let's check how to use it. Go to the Video Testimonials tab inside the Reputation section and click Create Collector. Fill out the collector's details. The most important part is the questions page, since each question will prompt the customer to upload a video. Once you've created your video collector, click the share icon to send a request to any customer. Select the contact and channel, then send the review request. This helps you create customizable testimonial collectors to keep your branding consistent, manage responses directly in the CRM, and provide an integrated display in the review widget that doesn't require downloading and re-uploading the responses. This section lets you create unlimited collectors, view and use their respective submissions with minimal manual labor, making your testimonial game stronger than ever. We hope you enjoy it.